Hello, a small update, not update. Actually, I'm here with the SPS, and yeah, I haven't really worked on it. To be honest, I was kind of let down because I worked on the pump, the fuel pump, and I replaced the filters. I replaced these ones. They're metal. I think Gotham Cycles makes them. I don't know. They're very expensive. They're like $100 each. So I replaced these. Removing actually these ones in the back was a huge pain. So I was excited when I put it all together and I started. You saw the other video that I started, but I used this bike's tank. So I haven't tried this one. And I think somebody worked on it and sort of gave up because all the hoses are pretty fresh. Even the seals, I put it in, but it looked really good. It's just not starting. So another thing that is pretty common on these bikes that cracks is this nut here. Do you see this big black? Another joke. Big black nut right there. That's the one that cracks, is in plastic. So in order to change it, you either cut this wire and just try to do a patchwork, which is not my case, or I find online somebody who said that you can actually disassemble this guy and slide out the bad one and put in the new one. So I did that, super excited. I put it in, I put it in the tank here, I close it, I seal it, ready to go. I go to start it. It's not starting, it's not making noise. Now I'm thinking, what did I do? Did I screw up the connector, and did I screw up the little connectors in there? But I just tested it, and it actually, there is electricity coming to this, so, which I don't know what it is, that it goes into this, which I think is the gas pump. I don't know, but so this one is not working, which means that I need to go on eBay. Bye.